Hey guys, welcome back to my another interesting video regarding a project which name is Smiley Shiba Inu. So guys, this video will be very amazing because in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect our MetaMask with their project and how we become a part of their ICO because they are offering a very amazing price in their ICO, and when their ICO will be end then they are going to list their token on different five exchanges on the same day. It will be listed on five amazing exchanges like Hotbit, PancakeSwap, P2P, B2B, and La Token on 15th of December. And after their ICO, when they will be listed on their these projects, then you can't imagine how much profit you can earn if you buy the token from their ICO. If you join their ICO and wait for their listing on these exchanges. So today I'm on my mobile screen because today I will show you how we can buy their tokens on our Trust Wallet. So if you want to learn that how we can buy any token on our Trust Wallet in our mobile, so I request you all to see my complete video without skipping, because in this video I will show you a complete review and a complete detail that how we can buy any token on in our Trust Wallet with our BNB. So let's start. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all, if you are new on my YouTube channel, so subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my each and every videos first on your mobile screen. So as you know, their project is very amazing because their name is Smiley Shiba Inu and their symbol is S SHIB. Is a milestone in Memi token. So first of all, we go out to our Trust Wallet because I already make a complete review regarding the project. So in this video I also give you a little bit information about their necessary things. So first of all, I show you how we can buy their tokens on our Trust Wallet. So you just need to copy their address, and after copying their address you need to go to your Trust Wallet. So here in my Trust Wallet, so here you can see that I have $5 in my Trust Wallet. So if you want to import their token, you just need to click on these three dots, and at the end you just need to click on the add custom tokens. Or here, one most in necessary thing is that you just need to select your mainnet as a Binance Smart Chain and paste the address that you copied from their site. Then other information you will be automatically received at these places like name, symbol, and decimal. You just need to click on the done. Then you can see that this token is now in my wallet. So this is a very simple way how we can add their token in our wallet. So now I am going to buy their token. So here you can see that I have 0 Smiley Ship in my wallet. So now I'm going to buy the token. You just need to go to my video description because I will also give the link of their website in my video description. So you need to copy this link and go back to our Trust Wallet. So here you need to click on the dApps. When you click on the dApps, here you need to paste the address that you copied from my video description and search it. So during searching, one main thing is that you should change your mainnet as a smart chain. So now here you can see that now this site is open in my Trust Wallet. So here you need to click on the buy token. So where is buy token? Here. So you need to, if you want to join their ICO, here you can see that it will be end in 8 days and 1 hour. So it is a remaining time of their ICO. You just need to click on the buy token now, and after clicking it, you will find out this page. This is their ICO page where you can be where you can will be able to buy their token. So you just need to write the amount of your BNB that you want to spend to buy their token. So you can see that if you sorry so here you need to write the amount of your BNB that you want to use to buy their token. So I'm going to send this BNB to buy their this amount of tokens. So if you I want to buy the token, I just need to click on the buy. When I click on the buy, I will receive this smart contract. So it is for make sure that you trust on this site. So you need to click on the approve. When you click on the approve, then you need to go to your wallet, so their token will be added in my wallet. So I'm going back to my trust wallet to show you. So here you can see that I received this message that smart contract call, so they are pending now. So this is going. So after some refreshing, so here you can see that now I have only $1.21 in my wallet, but I received 6,000 as chip. So here you can see my wallet, check my wallet that I have 6,000 as chip that I buy live, and that I show you how we can buy their token. So we go back to their main page and discuss main things like where they are going to list it on 15th December. So these are the exchanges where this is going to list on 15th December, and when it will be listed on these exchanges, then their price will be doubled and tripled. So you will receive a max huge profit if you buy their tokens from their ICO. So this is their introduction there, that this is their goal, that they are going to complete 10,000 holder in their pre-sale. Similarly, Shiba, Smiley Shiba, sorry, is going to list on 5 exchanges, include Hotbit, P2P, B2B, LAT token, and two more surprising exchanges. So you can also verify it that they are verified from BSC scan by clicking on this. And now we discuss about the roadmap. So their roadmaps are the different plans that they set according to different time period. Like in phase 1, they have a plan of the token creation, website launch, pre-sale launch, white paper launch. And in phase 2, they have a plan of the YouTube marketing, social media promotion, airdrop. And in phase 3, they have a plan of certic audit, website redesign, pancake swap launch. And in phase 4, they have a plan of the listing on Hotbit, P2P, B2B, LAT token, and two more surprising exchanges. So they also have a phase 5. They have amazing plans to be accomplished in their phase 5, like second audit, listing on CMC, listing on CG, and listing on 4 to 5 best exchanges. And in phase 6, they have a plan of bounty campaign, S-Ship Launchpad, and S-Ship Swap, and listing on Binance Smart Chain. So you can also check their tokenomics here. So this is their total supply. They have 3% for their pre-sale, 5% for marketing, 5% for team. And other thing is that there you can also find out this information like their name, their decimal, and their symbol. And you can also contact them on their Telegram and Twitter. So it is very necessary for you if you want to get each and every update regarding their project on your mobile page. So you need to follow and subscribe their social media like Twitter, and press the bell icon, click on all tweet, so you will be able to receive each and every update regarding the project on your social media. So it is very necessary for you like to join their group and channel on their Telegram, and to follow their Twitter if you want to get updated regarding the project. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. So you can also download their white paper if you want to get more detail regarding the project. Allah Hafiz.